Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're hoping to set up a project management office, also known as a PMO, right inside Smartsheet, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to jumpstart your project reporting, streamline your workflow, and set up a dashboard that rolls up all your most important project info in one place. Especially if you're new to Smartsheet, I'll show you how to save a ton of time by starting with a template. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, instead of building every piece from scratch, which can be pretty overwhelming, especially if you're handling multiple projects, we're going to use one of Smartsheet's ready-made templates. Templates are a huge time saver because they come with a lot of the structure already built for you. Even if you're a beginner, this lets you skip past the technical setup and get straight to managing what matters. To begin, take a look at Smartsheet's homepage. On the left-hand side, or possibly right on the main page depending on your version, you'll see a plus button, or it might say Create. You'll want to click on that to kick off building something new. Don't worry if it takes you a second to find it. Smartsheet updates its interface from time to time, but it should always be easy to spot. Give that button a click. Next, you'll see the option to use a template. Now this is really important. Instead of starting with a blank sheet, look for where it says View All Templates. Click on that because we want to pull from their library. There should be a search bar here. Type in Project Management Office or just PMO. Smartsheet has several options, so browse through and pick the PMO template that makes the most sense for your organization. Don't stress too much about which one to choose. Most templates are customizable, so you can tweak them to suit your exact needs after the fact. Click to select your preferred PMO template, and then open up the main Project Management Office sheet inside. Now you're looking at the heart of your new PMO workspace. Right away, you'll notice sections like Active Projects, Portfolio Metrics, and one of my favorites, Project Tracking and Rollup. These are designed to give you a clear snapshot of what's happening across all your initiatives, rather than making you dig through dozens of individual files or tabs. What's really powerful here is that you can customize these templates for your specific team. For example, right inside these sheets, you can add your colleagues' names, assign team members to different projects, or personalize fields with your company's terminology. Don't hesitate to make it your own. If your company has multiple departments or you collaborate with different teams, you can tailor each section to keep things clear and organized. And there you have it. Once you've filled in your details and tailored the template to your team, you're officially up and running with your very own PMO in Smartsheet. From here, you can use dashboards to roll up all your core metrics, automate reporting, and keep every stakeholder in the loop effortlessly. Thanks for following along. If this video helped you get your PMO off the ground, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more tips on customizing Smartsheet for your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward project management tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.